All right, guys. So this is the second video. By the way, if you're new to this channel, this is Josh FX Pro. Welcome to the channel. What we do here is we get to analyze pairs, mostly synthetic pairs. I think maybe from next week I'll start looking into analyzing forex pairs too, forex currencies pairs too. So yeah, but for now, what we do is analyze pairs, do back tests, and also give trade updates on how far the pair have gone. So really, it's just like giving you a full down rundown of what every week market looks like, right? Whether we are following the market to trade or whether we are studying the market to know what it has done to be able to be better off in the future, right? So, but yeah, so this is another analysis. I did the first analysis, the first other video you saw before this one. So you could go look it up. That was on Crash 300, but this is a different pair right now. So yeah, let's dive into this. All right, so this is Boom 500. Already we see that market is in a bullish trend and it has made a break of structure here. It has created a break of structure. It is not a change of character, it's a break of structure. From this time frame, it is a break of structure. So where I would likely be looking for my other block positions would be below the break of structure area. So anywhere below here is fine for me. So I had this other block position on daily here. There is a, wow, I'm just seeing this now. There's actually a fair value gap range here, which market might come back to tap in on this fair value gap here. Let me change the color. So yes, so there's a fair value gap range here. Let me just zoom in so I make sure I'm in the right spot. Yeah, I think so. So there's a fair value gap area here, which if you ask me, I would say market might use this one as a liquidity. If we go down to a lower time frame, I'll show you what I mean. But the market might actually come and tap in on this one because we have a fair value gap there on daily, and we have another block there on 4 hours. This is what I'm talking about. So if you break it down to 4 hours time frame, this is our range from a daily perspective, right? This is where we had our break of structure and market is coming back down. There's another block here. Well, it is not this move. I wouldn't take this move because why? Like I said, we have a rule that if market trend to this direction and it already did this trend, this was a low that was broken and coming back down. So the only way I would take this trade is if I see this high being broken, this high being taken out. Then I'll take the trade probably on a lower time frame for 1 hour for the retest and continuation of. But as at this moment, I still feel market is going to stall around here. This looks like an inducement liquidity, but I feel market is going to stall around here and finally come back down, taking out this whole move here as well. So come back down, tap in somewhere around the middle just to get this other block on 4 hours here and the what do you call it? And the structural um and the structural what do you call it again? And the structural fair value gap from a daily time frame. It's not structural. From a daily time frame, it's like a what do you call it? It's like a candlestick fair value gap, but on a 4 hours, it's like a structural fair value gap. But yeah, but it is there. This is just something you need to know that it is there, right? So let's kick this off and let's wait to see what happens from the market. I expect anything to happen, but I'm just open-minded. If it breaks here, then I'll look for entry. But if it doesn't, I'll still wait for it to play around all these things it wants to do here. Let it just do it and come down here, tap me in, and I'll join the market upwards. So this is Boom 500 index, Boom 500 index. So after every 500 ticks, market booms. All right. So this is it's part of the knowledge you will know when you're trading indices, but I would give all this knowledge. I'm still setting up my 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 program to be able to give all this knowledge, like explain what mostly volatility pairs are and how you trade them, right? I'm still setting up that, but for now, I'm pushing this forward so everybody could follow. All right. So take care and enjoy your weekend. This is Friday, so enjoy your weekend and please follow this trade. Drop me a subscribe on this YouTube page. You can follow my Instagram or my TikTok, and also drop your comments on what you think about this, or if you have any questions regarding synthetics and trading, then I'll be willing to answer you anytime on the comment section. All right. Or you can still DM me on my Instagram page, then I'll give you a reply. All right. So for now, take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right. Josh FX Pro signing out.